And TikTok hindi.
Kasi may issue sa airport. Ang tagal namin makalabas, guys. But we're here. Kakarating lang namin dito sa port. Kasi we need to ride a boat going to Bawi Island. I'm so excited. Parang sobrang ganda ng water nila dito. So, iba yung color ng water. Ang ganda.
Hirap ako sa surfboard yan. So kapag ako guys, nahimik ako sa vlog ni Danica. Huwag kayo gumawa ng issue na hindi kami matayan. Sakit alala mo lang. Nag-breakfast ka?
Oh, ay, yung food, kinain ko, ikaw. Masarap na food. Yung ata yung pinaka-favorite ko na food.
Talaga?
Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. Jumbo, hello. No, how are you? How are you? And Mambo?
Hello.
Mambo, hello. Jambo, bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
Look at that view, guys. So nice. Dito tayo later.
Or at 8?
Ba't ganyan yung itsura? Mapagod ka na.
Oo, te.
Mga di nakikinig sa sa tour
Wala
guide.
na, nakatulala na lang ako.
Guys, we're just on a golf cart. Tapos, sinahatid kami ngayon sa room namin. And iniikot rin kami sa island. Kasi, guys, isang maliit lang talaga siya na island. So, parang wala kang takas dito. Para siya, it's giving...
Si Danica, nag-iisip lang ng kung ano.
It's giving Lotus...
daw kami dito.
Anong season yun? Ay, anong show yun? Lotus
Yung
Flower?
kila Lisa Manopan.
Oo, Lotus Flower, di ba? Ganun yung vibe niya. Oh, ayun yung room. Nasa water. Alam mo kung ano maganda gawing TikTok? Yung tatalon tayo na nakaganto lang. Alam mo yun? Yung tatakbo tayo hanggang papunta sa dulo tapos tatalon sa tubig. So nice! Ay, may beach pala. Kasi kung saan kami bumaba, walang beach. Kung saan tayo bumaba, di ba walang beach? So sabi ko, parang walang beach dito. Ito pala yon sa likod.
Napakapahal dito, tapos walang beach.
So this is a private island, no? Private island to, no?
Ha?
Private island.
Yep.
It's so nice.
Private island to, nabili ko to noong 2006 yata.
Ang pili.
Binenta ko siya ng 2010. Nung nakuha ko na yung Annalisa, binenta ko. Ayoko na tayo.
Ala, parang ang ganda ng room. Feeling ko super windy sa mic. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but it's so nice here. Oh my gosh. This is our room. Ganda ng water. Let's see the room.
Love you. Amazing! May extra bed naman, pero one bed lang. Danica.
So nice. Oh, cute ng pillows, oh my gosh. Lahat ba to pwede kainin? Oh my gosh, may pool!
Ako!
Ang cute. We have stuff here din. Oh, ito yung agenda namin. Itinerary. Look at the view, guys. We have our own pool. Ang ganda.
Ganda na kuha natin yung corner, eh.
Oo. I think this is the bathroom. Buksan mo. Ayan. Ooh. Room tour na to, guys. Guys, tignan niyo yung cabinets namin. May laman na stuff. Nandito na yung mga outfits namin. So, I'm really happy kasi mas napapadali yung buhay ko pag curated na yung fits. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-isip. Andito na lahat. Look, they even have bags for us, accessories, and even the shoes. So, ayan. So nice, bro. This is so nice, bro. Super ganda. Alam niyo, kahit dito lang ako magstay sa room, buong trip, okay lang. Like, look at that view. Kaya kong di na umalis dito sa kwarto na to. Tas dito lang ako. Hey guys, today is May 27. It's currently 4:01 p.m. and we just got here sa Bale Island. It's so pretty here, guys. Look at that view from our bedroom. Ang ganda. I'm just waiting for my turn sa shower kasi I wanna shower first and then get ready for our dinner and parang may cocktail kasi may welcome cocktail kami 5:30 p.m. today and then 7 p.m. yung amazing African experience dinner. So I'm gonna get ready for that. What's really nice sa trip namin na to, since nga this is a work trip with guests, sila na yung nag-provide ng outfits namin for the whole trip. So pati accessories, pati shoes, even this set that I wore sa airport, sila rin nag-provide. So, ayun, thank you so much, guys. Ako kasi super nahirapan ako pumili ng outfits. Ito na ata yung pinakamadaling pinak ko na trip kasi wala akong masyadong pinak. Like, dinala ko lang yung mga kailangan ko dalhin, like toiletries, necessities, makeup, mga hair, pang hair ko. Kasi kami-kami lang yung mag-aayos dito. So, tomorrow, we have activities. So, mayroong treasure hunt, may boat tour, and then sa day 3 naman, meron kaming snorkeling. So, ayun. That's gonna be so fun. And yeah, I'm just gonna rest for a bit habang si Blythe pa yung naliligo sa CR. I'm waiting for her lang. Kasi gusto ko na rin maligo. As in, pag long flights talaga. After a long flight, gusto ko maligo agad and freshen up. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, it is now 6. Uy, sunset na. Ang ganda. Ayan, we got ready na. Yeah, we got ready na. Oh my God.
Very best.
Guys, wardrobe malfunction. Ang daming kailangan ayusin. Anyway, we got ready na for our welcome cocktail that starts at 5:30. Pero 6 na, guys. Ang hirap maging babae kasi ang daming kailangan gawin. But we're here na, and then our dinner will start at 7:30. Ayan sila, guys. Cute. Can you say hi to my vlog? Can you say hi? Hi! Hi! Thank you! Oh! Ano meron dito? Ooh. Guys, nasa akin yung mic. So kung may na yung boses ni Blythe, it's because nasa akin yung mic. But we're here! Oh my gosh! Our first trip together na kaming dalawa lang. So ano naman masasabi mo? Stress ka? Stress to eh. Kanina pa siya stress. Stress siya sa damit niya, stress siya sa buhok niya. Naririnig kita kanina, nagrereklamo siya na ang bigat daw ng curler mo.
Ng curler ko, grabe.
Uy, ang cute naman nun. Picture kaya tayo? Pwede ba?
Doon maganda tayo, doon may picture. Hi!
Okay, what is your name?
Danica.
Danica?
Yeah.
You?
Andrea.
Andrea? Nafanya hivi. Hivi.
Huh?
Hivi.
What?
Hii kama feni hivi. Swahili hivi. Masai hii hivi.
Maintindihan.
Ni manunu sakali gitu. Iya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jumbo. Guys, kung may isang word akong natutunan dito, it's jumbo. Tapos pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko na sabihin, kasi nung pagdating namin dito, lahat sila, jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. Hello! Ciao, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I'm Ginevra from Guest. Welcome. You will discover the island in the next days.
Yes.
And for now, the activity of tomorrow, and I send you a message on the group chat, will be, wait, I can show you. We will go to do a treasure hunt to discover the gas branded elements around the island. And the activity for you will be at 12, so at noon.
Yes, go girl. Guys, look at the stable setup. It's so pretty eh. We're right by the beach. I think dito na kami magdi-dinner. Yan si Blight, nagpipicture lang. Ganda ng beach, guys. Parang kami lang yung nandito. This is my fit pala for tonight. Everything from Guess. Umay ka na mag-fix. Gusto na namin kumain. Kanina pa kami gutom.
Taklit sa suot.
Guys. Kasi kanina kasi sabi ko sa kanya, tignan mo nga yung contacts eh.
Maganda ba?
Tignan mo nga yung contacts ko kung maganda. Ngayon ko lang ito sinuot eh. Sinabi niya kung anong contacts. Sabi niya, pares tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito.
Parang iba yung suot ko kanina nung nag-get ready with makeup.
Ito yun. Oo. Tapos, so tinignan namin sa camera. Tapos magkapares na kami. Pwede mo ba i-flash? Pares na kami, guys. Guys, dito pala yung food. Kinukuha pala yung pagkain dito. Akala ko isi-serve. Look at all these food. Parang ang sarap ng food nila. Wow, so many foods. Is this quesadilla? Oh, pizza!
Sì, super tipico.
Zanzibar pizza. That's cool.
La Zanzibar pizza è un tipico.
Qual è il quesadilla? Siya nila dito. Zanzibar food. Oh my gosh, sugar cane juice.
Hello, Jumbo Jumbo, you're welcome. This is the sugarcane juice,
Can I try?
the sugarcane itself.
Thank you. Guys, this is fresh sugar cane and they get the juice
You want
here.
me to try one, man?
Yes, please. Thank you. Yan yung gagawa siyang sugar cane juice.
This is how they make it. That's it. This is manual machine. And then we want to remove all the juices.
Wow, that's a lot of juice.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Let's try the juice with ginger. Yes, so good. Thank you so much. It's so good. Masarap ng may ginger. Oh my god, guys, there's fufu and egusi. I've been wanting to try this one so bad kasi lagi ko makikita na ang dami kong kain ito at parang masarap. Gusto ko sana gamitin yung kamay ko, pero nakakaya naman kamay. Oh my god, nilipad. Sorry. Guys, nilipad yung kita. Sa sobrang kain. Oh my god, sobrang sarap. Alam mo kung ano kalasa niya? Caldereta. Oh my god, legit lasang caldereta siya. Oh my god, ang sarap. Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
We're here sa gifting suite ng guests kasi I had to change my shoes kasi nga wrong size sila. So, buti na lang may ganito sila and we can just pick anything that we want from this room. Ang daming nice pieces. Yan yung pinili ko best.
Wala na bang
Anyway, kailangan ko rin pala ng swimsuit. What if ito suot? Sobrang di na ako mawawala pag ito suot ko. Do you have sizes for this one? Good morning, guys. It is now 10:24 a.m. and I'm having my breakfast right after namin sa gifting suite. Kaya lang medyo nag-close na sila. So wala na masyadong food. Kaya ito na lang kakainin ko. Croissant with cream. Okay guys, it is now 12:06 p.m. and I just finished getting ready for our treasure hunt today. This is the fit. Everything from Guess again. Niintay ko lang yung maghahatid sa akin sa pool area because we're all meeting there. So yeah, this is my fit. Cute. I think 3 times ako mag-change outfit for today. Later sa boat tour, mag-change outfit ako and then my white party then later. So itong fit na to for the treasure hunt lang. I don't know how long it's gonna take, pero feeling ko naman I have enough time to freshen up and ready for the boat tour. So ayan. I also changed my room, guys. So bagong room na to. I'm not with Blythe anymore kasi apparently we have our own rooms. So lumipat na ako dito sa room ko. Medyo magulo na siya, guys, kasi dito ako natulog kagabi. Ang sarap ng tulog ko. Kaya lang napuyat ako kasi I was doing my finals. So ayun. Anyway, sana okay lang tong fit ko. Kasi medyo maluwag tong dress na to sa akin. Sana hindi siya mahulog. I'm wearing a 2-piece rin inside. So ayan. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Feeling ko hindi rin ako makakapag-vlog masyado pag nasa treasure hunt na kami. Nakita ko kasi kanina yung mga naunang girls na mag-treasure hunt. Parang video-videohan rin sila dito. So, we'll see. I don't know. I'm just waiting lang for my sundo. Oh, in the jungle. I found it. Maybe you try first. 1, 2, 3. 81.
At least I was close.
Wow.
Oh, wow. All this for us? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm at the restaurant again for lunch. We just finished our treasure hunt. It is now 1:10 p.m. Tapos later, may boat tour kami at 3:45. So I'm just gonna eat lunch and then go back to my room and change. I don't know if I'm gonna change my makeup na kasi boat lang naman yun. Baka ayusin ko na lang yung hair ko. Look at my view. So nice. So I'm just gonna chill here alone and enjoy my lunch. Okay guys, I ordered ceviche. This is red snapper ata. Thank you. It matches my outfit. My pasta came. This is rigatoni pasta with seafood, I think. Okay guys, I'm back in my room na. It's 2:27 p.m. So later pa yung boat tour namin. So mga 3:45 kami magkikita for the boat tour. Sobrang ganda ng weather today. So parang gusto ko mag-swim sandali. Sayang naman kasi tong pool na to if di ko gamitin. So let's dip for a bit here sa pool. So, I'm gonna put you guys. Just look at my amazing view. Yung room na to, guys, is a sunset suite. Yung araw. So, pag sunset ato dito, super ganda. Hindi ko maganda rin mag-take ng pictures dito pag sunset. Pero walang mag-take ng pictures ko. Later, magsa-sunset kami dun sa pupuntahan namin na island. Hindi ko sure kung anong pupuntahan namin sa boat tour. Pero dun kami magsa-sunset. I'm also gonna change na rin in a bit. I feel like hindi ko pa kayo nabigyan ng tour dito sa bago kong room. But it's so big. Lahat yan sa akin. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Look at that space. Buong yan. Like, yan yung likod nitong room na to. May shower pa dyan. The view is amazing. Tapos, okay. Ito yung room inside. Pasensya na kayo guys kasi magulo na yung room ko. Because I got ready kanina. But, yeah. Ito yung room ko. So big. There's so much space here. My TV. And this is the bed. Cute ng bed nila guys. May kulambo pag natutulog na. And then cabinets. And then the CR. Sobrang ganda ng CR. What the heck? Look at that. Look at that CR, guys. Ano siya, nasa labas yung CR. OMG. Tapos may puno pa dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong fruit yan, but that's so cute. Tapos may bathtub. Ang ganda ng CR here. So pretty. So ayan, as in nasa labas lang yung CR. Pero tago naman siya, guys. Guys, we made it here sa boat tour. Pero actually, na-cancel yung pupuntahan namin na island. Short boat ride lang yung gagawin namin. This is the fit. This is Light's fit. Yes! Ang cute ng boat, guys.
Can we stay up? Maganda po dyan.
Oo. Okay, I made it. This is giving Moana. It is now 8 p.m. and I just finished getting ready for our dinner. So, ito yung fit ko for tonight's dinner. I'm just waiting for my boogie, which is yung service going to the dinner. But yeah, everything I'm wearing still from Guess.
Nilitouch ko siya. Inulay ko siya actually. Inayos ko yung ban.
Cute. Parang Rapunzel.
Thank you.
Let's see the menu. Meron pong tuna. Yes, hindi na buffet.
Precisei sair pra poder voltar, ver o tempo bem fechado. Can I grab your attention? Pra ver o dia clarear. I just want to thank guests for inviting us all here to dance. Pra ver o céu no azul do mar. And for being so hospitable and so amazing. So, pra poder ganhar
coisas que alguém vai escutar. Um dia você verá que um sorriso e uma companhia estão fora dos seus requisitos. Um dia você vai olhar pra trás e ver.
Ang ganda naman ng bestie ko. Ang ganda mo dyan. Fit check. Yes. Ang cute naman ng pa-hair. Talagang inano mo yan, pinak mo yan, yung mga hair accessories. So, is giving mermaid princess.
Thank you, that is the vibe.
Good morning, guys. Today is May 29 and it's currently 10:41 a.m. We're gonna ride the boat. Yun ata.
Hi! Hey, mermaid! Ako kayo, mermaid.
Oo. Oo. Sabi sa'yo, giving mermaid yung hair mo eh. Anyway, we're gonna ride the boat. Yung yacht ata na nandyan, yung sasakyan namin. Tapos we're gonna go to the ruins. Sabi nila, super ganda daw doon. So, ayun. Tapos, baka later, makapag-snorkeling kami. Yun yung gusto kong gawin. So, sana matuloy. But we're just waiting for our turn sa boat para dalhin kami sa yacht. I think 1 hour travel siya. And this is the view. So nice. Kanina umuulan pero ngayon buti lumabas na yung araw. Dito si Blight. Na nasabihan ng mermaid. Ba't ka kinilig? Nung sinabi?
Siyempre, ano kayo?
Ano?
Mermaid talaga ako. Kanina may nagsabi na, hi, mermaid.
Alam mo ba kanina, di ba umulan? Eh yung CR ko, outdoor siya na parang may wall lang. Tapos nabasa yung mga makeup brushes ko. So ngayon di ko alam kung okay yung makeup ko. Feeling ko patchy siya. Kasi di ba pag basa yung brush na ginamit mo, magkakatuldok. Or
Let me
hindi
see
siya
it.
mabiblend ng maayos.
It's not.
So wala lang talaga.
I don't
As in,
think it's patchy. It's not.
wow! Ay, akala ko hindi ka naka-contacts.
Naka-contacts pa din ako.
Si ate kong mahilig mag-full glam. And so,
Eh, hindi ako naka-full glam ngayon na.
ah, hindi ba? Akala ko ba mag-full glam ka ngayon? Ba't di na? Sabi niya, sobrang saya daw mag-full glam. Guys, nakakatamad kaya. Ang ate kong gusto maging makeup artist.
Wedding makeup artist.
May picture ka na?
Wala pa.
Inside, guys. Kiss my feet. Gutom pa naman ako dito ng pag-breakfast. Let's go around. Should we change into our bikini? Guys, I got food. And si Blay. Tulong ka sa mood.
Hindi ka natulong ako talaga.
You're gonna eat.
Try natin buti ang lahat dito.
Guys, we made it here after 45 minutes. Pero ruins daw pa yun yung building na yun. And then we're gonna have our lunch na rin dito. Ayun yung boat na sinakyan namin. Just waiting for the others. So excited for lunch, guys. Gusto ko kumain ng meal. Yes. Guys, I'm with
Kiara! Kumusta po?
Yes! We taught her, Tagalog words.
Yes. What am I learning? Kumusta? Po? Kuya? Ate.
Ate.
Ate. Ate.
Yes.
What else?
How
do you say?
can say, salamat po.
Salamat po. Which
My name
means
is Danica. You can say, salamat, Danica.
Salamat, Kiara.
Right?
No?
Wait, when you say thank you to someone.
Salamat.
Okay, perfect.
Bye. How do you say bye?
Just bye.
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 Wow.
So pretty. Parang ang ganda mag-ano dito. Mag-fit check.
The palace, it was on the other side. While the Sultan before he had the bridge from here to go to the other side. If you go in the middle there, you can see another part of the wall go up. And this part here, when you see this kind of pillar, there is a balcony.
Guys, we just finished our lunch. We're now going back to the boat for snorkeling. Ang hangin. But we're back na sa boat. And hindi na matutuloy yung snorkeling. So sad. Kasi super lakas na daw ng hangin. So, dito na lang kami magsiswim. Ayan, I changed na. Woo! We are now going back to Bawe. Guys, we just got back here sa Bawe. Hyper siya! We're gonna swim sa beach! And mag-tiktok kami. Yay! Okay guys, it is now 4:59 p.m. And mamaya pang 8 yung dinner namin. And kaya andito muna ako sa pool. I wanna swim here. So mag-chill lang muna ako dito. Look at that view guys, sobrang ganda. Yan na yung beach. Sobrang laki rin ng pool nila. So let's swim! Swim with me! Ang hangin. Parang uulan guys. Pero sana may sunset. Hindi pa kami nakakita ng magandang sunset dito kasi laging cloudy. But we're just here and we have free time before dinner. Tapos tomorrow uuwi na kami. Pero I think late pa yung flight namin. Like 4 p.m. pa daw.
Nice one! Naka-retreat siya ka mga!
Nakita niyo yun guys? Papunta doon, tapos bumalik. Tapos na.
Dito. Matik.
Okay, tapos na kami magpanggap. Na marunong kami pagbilyar. Isa pa? Sige. Guys, I just filmed sa TikTok ko about this rose lipstick. It's a plant from Zanzibar. And binigay siya sa akin kanina ng isang girl na kasama namin dito. And binigyan daw sila nito nung umalis kami sa ruins. Hindi lang naman siya naabutan ni Blythe, pero ang bait nung girl na kasama namin. Binigyan niya ako ng isa. Kasi ang dami daw niyang kinuha. So ayan, nilagay ko siya sa lips ko and sa cheeks ko. It's natural makeup, guys. It's so cool. Anyway, I'm just chilling na lang here. Killing time. Waiting for dinner. Parang gusto ko nga kumain. This is my view. Wala pang sunset, guys. Pero sana maganda yung sunset today. Sana meron pang sunset. Ang cloudy lang talaga dito. Ang cute ng lipstick. I mean, ng makeup. May nawawalang bata. Antok yan.
Payat mo sis. Can you imagine?
Guys, we just met. We're at dinner already. Pero di ba nag-start? Di na ako nakapag-ready, get ready
ready with me guys.
You know what? I ordered food. Kumain pa ako ng burger.
Ganda mo, payat mo, bagay sa
This is our dinner setup. Everyone's here. Guys, our dinner tonight is African dinner. So, kaya may mga ganyan. And it's our last dinner. Oh. Ang dami palang ganap dito. Ano yung ginagawa nila? Ah, is it juice? What is that one? Soup? Or tea? Zanzibar mix? Okay. Guys, natuwa ko kasi tignan niyo yung lagayan. Mix of stuff. Lagayan ko ng detergent. That's how authentic this African dinner is. Hindi ako sanay sa container na detergent. Sanay ako sa container na pang sinulid. Or ice cream.
Yung ice cream tas isa.
Pero ito, grabe.
Yan, sige, gusto ko yan. Bigyan niya akong detergent.
Di ba to guys ha?
Oh, can I have? Yan ang gusto ko.
Tikman mo nga. Ano, masarap? O wala pa rin lasa?
Wala pa rin masyado lasa. Pepper din na to.
Parang feeling ko ito yung sinigang nila eh. So parang gusto ko siya i-try.
Wow, sige.
Diba? Isipin mo, yun yung sinigang sa atin. Share tayo. Can we have one detergent soup? Can we have one best clean soup?
Saan ito lalagay?
Wow. Oh, thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Tikim lang naman.
I have one extra beef.
Wala, tirador ng barbecue.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's try this sinigang.
Itong bagong iPhone dahil sa'yo.
I know. Nasa LU tayo. Ay, parang curry.
Curry! Ayaw mo?
It's just
New.
It's new talaga to me. Like, sinasabi ko sa kanila, yung mga food dito parang bagong flavor sila na never ko ba natikman.
Ah, talaga ba? Ako mahilig ako sa curry. Ano ba siyang curry? O hindi?
Wait lang.
Pero medyo nalalasahan ko na yung ang tawag doon kapag nag-oil na yung food. Nagsisebo. Nalalasahan ko na. Medyo nagsisebo na yung beef.
Sabi sa'yo, sinigang nila yan eh.
Maasim.
Maasim
Bakit
siya.
try mo to? Oo, sinigang.
Diba maasim? Sabi ko na
Sinigang
yun.
lang.
I'm always right. Charot.
Ano itong dilaw?
Dito. Lahat tinikman ko.
Thank you. Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Do you want to say hi? Hi. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. So beautiful. Yes, I love your hair. African people. Yes, it's so pretty.
This is our menu for tonight's last dinner. We have here the lobster bisque. Let's try it.
Malamig. Sakto siya. Malamig yung hangin. Tapos mainit yung sabaw.
Fucking cultural appropriation.
Cute.
Guys,
Nalaman ko yan. Ay, sorry.
hindi yan.
Ay, may LV pa ako sa kanya. Mura kami na.
Oh my God, di talaga siya
Mura kami
tumitigil.
na mura. Pero, alam mo lahat na mura kami.
Guys, our salad came. It looks good. Love trip sila, oh. Sana all. Grabe sila.
Ka din.
Baliw. Baliw.
Ano kaya? Wait. Super ganda niya kaya. Oo. Pagbalik ko doon. So, wala pa akong kailangan.
Pagod na siya. Guys, dessert to kami.
Adesso chiamiamo il grandissimo Lorenzo e Marco!
Sarap no?
Good morning, everyone! Today is May 30. It's currently 9:50 a.m. and today is our last day here. So later, uuwi na kami. Nag-alarm ako kagabi ng 10 a.m. kasi akala ko late ako magigising. Pero ang aga ko nagising today, like 8 a.m. nagising na ako. So, nag-ready lang ako. I showered and got ready kasi gusto ko mag-breakfast. Tapos baka mamaya punta ako sa room ni Blythe. Because I wanna take pictures there. So ayun, later pa naman yung checkout namin, mga 3 p.m. pa. So I have a lot of time pa. And then, I need to pack pa my things kasi di ko pa siya napapack. But for now, yun ang gagawin ko. Magbe-breakfast ako, tapos pupuntahan ko si Blythe. Ang ganda talaga ng view dito, guys. As in, ang ganda ng mga rooms nila. Parang gusto ko rin ulit mag-swimming sa pool. It's so peaceful here. This is the breakfast buffet. But I ordered omelette and bacon and sausage. So you can order also and then you can also get from the buffet. Kasi ito lang yung nasa buffet nila, guys. Puro vegetables talaga, tsaka bread. They have homemade butter. Let's do... Yay! Let's try this with the butter. Just a bit. This breakfast is hitting the spot, bro. Oh my god, ang sarap pala ng breakfast nila. But ngayon lang ako nag-breakfast. Yung last time kasi na nag-breakfast ako dito, close na, excuse na lang yung nakuha ko kasi yun na lang yung available. So good.
Jumbo.
Guys, kasama ko si Zara Larson. It's a man! It's giving Zara Larson sis.
Ano ba? Ako yun.
At meron pa guys, ang extra ng sisi ko for our last day. May kulay yung hair.
I know.
We've just been chilling here sa main beach. After ng breakfast namin, Blythe was taking pictures. So, andito lang ako. Nag-e-edit. And nag-post rin ako ng TikTok namin. And maybe, magpapapick ako mamaya. Kaya lang itong suot ko na swimsuit na one piece. Medyo malaki kasi siya sa akin. This is from Guessr. Pero size medium kasi siya. Sakto yung length niya sa akin, pero maluwag lang siya here sa may chat. Guys, we're leaving. It is now 3:40. So, punta na ako sa reception. Check out na kami. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!